but as we all know, 2024 was an historic year for tornadoes in Ohio. This afternoon, Chief Meteorologist Jerry Martz explains why and what could be in store this year.
Heading into the spring and summer severe weather season here in Ohio, nobody wants a repeat of 2024. That's when we set a record across the state with 74 tornadoes. Now, the list behind me is the top 5 tornadoes by year for the Buckeye State. 2024, 1992, 2023, 2019, and 1973. And we take these back all the way to 1950. Now, one thing that 4 of those years have in common, you'll see them here in the red, 2024, 1992, 2019 and 1973 is the year leading up to severe weather season. We had an El Nino. An El Nino, you may have heard us talk about that. That's a warming of the Pacific Ocean waters several thousand miles away. One year, 2023, had a La Nina. That's a cooling of those ocean waters thousands of miles away. Now, what happens in the Pacific Ocean has an impact here. It changes the jet stream, it energizes the jet stream, but we're talking over long periods of time. And while it's not possible to predict the exact number of tornadoes that we're going to see in Ohio, conventional wisdom and just looking at this chart would lead us to believe that we're heading into a La Nina or a neutral year in the middle of 2025 that would hopefully lead to fewer tornadoes across the Buckeye State this year.